करना चाहते हैं impressed with variety of dishes and बाहर से समोसा मंगाना is pointless क्योंकि thanks to Corona. So here in this video I will show you how to make 3 quick easy snack recipes using the same ingredients. So without any delay on, let's start our pakwan. So these are the ingredients required for making our dish. We will take a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour in it, add 1 cup of atta. Now we will add pinch of kala jeera, and pinch of shahi jeera and half spoon to 1 spoon of salt. Now we will make a soft dough like we make for chapatis. आपको क्या लगा मैं कैमरा के सामने ऐसे ऐसे मिलाऊंगी? ना 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 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हमने आटा अपना मिला के रखा है. इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे 1 स्पून ऑफ ऑयल और ये रहा हमारा चिकनी चमेली एकदम तैयार. और इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे एक लिड एंड इसको हम 10 से 15 मिनट तक साइड पे रख लेंगे. और ये सारी चीज़ें चाहिए हमको मसाला बनाने के लिए. सबसे पहले पैन को हीट कीजिए, ऐड 1 स्पून ऑफ ऑयल. नाउ ऐड 1 फाइनली चॉप्ड ऑनियन इन इट. नाउ ऐड 1 बाउल ऑफ चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर and 4 finely chopped chilies. Now 1 bowl of chopped spring onion. Once all of them are fried, we will add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste in it. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of jeera powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder. Add half spoon of salt in it. Once all of them are nicely cooked, we will take it aside in a small bowl. Now it's time to add our paneer pieces. So in the same pan we will add oil and we will add our paneer pieces. We will cut this into long and thin pieces. Once these are fried, we will add our cooked curry into it and we have to cook all of them together. Now we will take them aside and let it cool down for 15 minutes. Now we will take a portion of dough and make chapati with it. Like we make chapati, we have to make rolls and in the same way we have to do. Now once it is done, we will add pinch of red chili powder, add 1 spoon of oil and make nagin or you can say galaxy or Milky Way, whatever feels good. Now we will roll it like this and this is I call as real nagin. Yeah, see, now we will do in the same way like we make for parathas. So once these are rolled nicely, we will join them and start making chapatis like this. Now this look colorful because of the masala and we have to make very thin chapatis. Now once this is done, we will start cutting them in a diamond shape. For that we will take a sharp knife and cut it into horizontal and vertical so that we can get our diamond shape. Now we will take another big portion of dough, relatively bigger than what we take for making chapati, and we will press it in the dry flour and make chapatis with it. Once our chapatis are done, we will press it with the hand, take the paneer pieces out and we will add just the curry, spring onion curry that we have prepared. Now we do not have to overdo and overfill it. We will just have to leave the outer part and just we have to spread it by pressing it. So once we press it nicely, we will add our dry flour on it and we will start cutting them into rectangular pieces. Once we are done with cutting all of them, we will keep them aside. Now it is time to make our mini paneer samosa. For that we will take the dough as small tablet. That much portion only we have to take. Now we will make chapatis with it and we will take our knife and cut it into 2 halves. Now start making cones. press it like this, and now take our paneer piece, keep it inside and close the ends. Now our tiny paneer samosas are ready. We just need to deep fry them. Now it's time to fry our spring onion rolls. For that I have taken 1.5 spoon of oil and I will add these spring onion rolls into it. Either you can deep fry them or you can just fry as I've shown you in the video. I wanted to use less oil, so I made it like this. If you want to deep fry, you can fry. The taste will be the same. Now I have to deep fry this namkeen. For that I have added the oil in the pan and I will start adding this namkeen pieces into the oil. Once this namkeen turns into light brown color, I will take them. Now it is time to make our samosas. So it is time to fry them. We will take piece by piece and start adding them in the hot oil. Once the samosas turn to light brown color, I will take them out. See how crispy and cute the samosas are looking. Your kids will love it because of the size and the taste. Now here I have made 3 dishes.
So well guys, मैंने यहाँ पे बनाए हैं 3 dishes using the same ingredients. जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैंने बनाया है नमकीन, स्प्रिंग ऑनियन रोल एंड पनीर मिनी समोसे. ये सारे रेसिपीज ट्राई करने के बाद आपके रिलेटिव्स जो आए हैं, अगर वो ये कहने लगे यार तो बड़ा चंगा खाना बनाती है, हमें भी तो कभी शेयर कर दिया करिए सारे रेसिपीज.